Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn about adverbs. Adverbs are words that tell us more about verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They help us understand how, when, where, and how often something happens. Whether you are new to learning English or just want to improve your grammar, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. Let's get started. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. All right? It gives us more information about how, when, where, or how often something happens. For example, in the sentence, she sings beautifully. The word beautifully is an adverb because it tells us how she sings. Types of adverbs. Now let's look at the different types of adverbs. There are 5 main types: adverbs of manner, time, place, frequency, and degree. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell us how something happens. They describe the way an action is done. For example, quickly, slowly, and well are adverbs of manner. We use them in sentences like he runs quickly or she speaks slowly. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us when something happens. They give us information about the time of an action. For example, now, yesterday, and soon are adverbs of time. We use them in sentences like I need it now or she will arrive soon. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us where something happens. They describe the location of an action. For example, here, there, and everywhere are adverbs of place. We use them in sentences like sit here or he looked everywhere. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. They describe the frequency of an action. For example, always, often, and never are adverbs of frequency. We use them in sentences like she always smiles or he never lies. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us the intensity or degree of an action, adjective, or another adverb. For example, very, quite, and to are adverbs of degree. We use them in sentences like she's very happy or the test was quite difficult. Comparative and superlative adverbs. Adverbs can also show comparison. Comparative adverbs compare 2 actions and superlative adverbs compare more than 2 actions. For example, quickly, more quickly, and most quickly are forms of comparison. We use them in sentences like he runs more quickly than his friend and she runs the most quickly of all. Here we have an example of a superlative form of the adverb. Placement of adverbs in a sentence. Adverbs can be placed in different parts of a sentence, but they often come after the verb they describe or at the end of the sentence. For example, she quickly finished her homework or he sings beautifully. Adverbial phrases. An adverbial phrase is a group of words that acts as an adverb. It gives us more information about how, when, where, or why something happens. For example, in a hurry and with great care are adverbial phrases. We use them in sentences like she left in a hurry or he painted with great care. To sum up, adverbs are important in English. They help us understand more about verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Remember the types of adverbs as I told you in this video: manner, time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, and degree. Also practice using comparative and superlative forms and learn where to place adverbs in a sentence. Keep practicing and you'll get better every day. Thanks for watching. Now, here's a question for you. Can you make a sentence using an adverb of manner and adverb of time? Please drop your sentences in the comments down below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy English lessons. See you in the next video.